Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about automotive oil film cleaning brush review, a must-have tool for car maintenance. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. When it comes to keeping your vehicle in top shape, one essential tool often overlooked is the automotive oil film cleaning brush. This simple yet effective cleaning tool is designed to help car owners remove stubborn oil and grease residue from various parts of their vehicle, including engines, exhaust systems, and undercarriages. But does it really work? Let's dive into this review. What is an automotive oil film cleaning brush? An automotive oil film cleaning brush is a specialized cleaning tool used to eliminate oil buildup and grime that accumulates on car surfaces. Typically, these brushes feature durable bristles and an ergonomic handle, allowing you to reach tight spaces and effectively clean areas that are hard to access with traditional cleaning methods. The brush is especially useful for cleaning parts of the engine bay, undercarriage, and wheels where oil, grease, and dirt tend to accumulate over time. Key features and benefits. Effective cleaning. The automotive oil film cleaning brush is designed to scrub away tough oil stains and grease without damaging the surface. Durability. Made from high-quality materials, the brush can withstand repeated use, making it a great investment for car owners. Ergonomically designed, with an easy-to-hold handle, it ensures comfortable use, even during long cleaning sessions. Versatility. It can be used on various parts of your vehicle, including engines, exhaust systems, and wheels, making it a versatile tool for overall car maintenance. Does it work? Yes, automotive oil film cleaning brushes are highly effective at removing oil buildup and grime from your vehicle. The stiff bristles scrub deep into surfaces, breaking down oil and grease without causing scratches or damage. Many users report noticeable improvements in engine cleanliness and overall vehicle appearance. For anyone looking to maintain a clean engine bay or remove stubborn oil and grease stains, an automotive oil film cleaning brush is a valuable tool to have. It's easy to use, durable, and delivers impressive results, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics alike. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.